Hey everyone, welcome back to Globry Digital Innovation, where we dive into the coolest digital tools and the latest in AI technology. Today we're diving into a topic that's shaping the future of tech, IBM Watson. You've probably heard the name, but what is it really? Is it just another AI, or is there more to it? Stick around to find out how Watson is revolutionizing industries like healthcare, finance, and more. All right, let's kick it off with the basics. What is IBM Watson? In simple terms, IBM Watson is a cutting-edge AI platform created by IBM. It's designed to process large amounts of data, understand human language, and provide solutions to complex problems. IBM Watson first made headlines when it competed on Jeopardy and actually won against human contestants. But now, it's evolved way beyond that. It's a powerful AI system used in tons of industries for data analysis, decision-making, and even creative tasks. So, where do we actually see Watson in action? Let's talk real-world examples. One of Watson's biggest impacts is in healthcare. Doctors are using Watson to scan through research papers, medical records, and treatment options faster than any human ever could. It's like giving doctors a supercharged brain to help diagnose and treat patients more accurately. And it doesn't stop at healthcare. Watson is being used in finance to spot fraud, in customer service to power chatbots, and even in legal departments to analyze contracts and case law. In short, Watson is like a behind-the-scenes genius, making industries run smoother and smarter. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Watson isn't just for crunching numbers and solving business problems, it's also being used in creative fields. Did you know Watson helped create a movie trailer? For the film Morgan, Watson analyzed tons of horror movie trailers and helped design the perfect eerie vibe for the trailer. It's like AI stepping into the world of creativity. It doesn't stop there. Watson's capabilities extend to industries like marketing and design, where it helps craft compelling campaigns by analyzing audience data and trends. So, what does the future hold for Watson? Well, IBM is constantly updating and refining Watson's abilities. From helping businesses make smarter decisions to assisting researchers in finding medical breakthroughs, Watson is set to play an even bigger role in the years to come. AI is evolving fast, and platforms like Watson are leading the charge. The more data that's available, the more powerful and accurate Watson becomes. And there you have it, folks. That's IBM Watson in a nutshell. Whether it's helping doctors save lives, powering industries, or even dabbling in creative projects, Watson is truly transforming the world as we know it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep creating, keep editing, and we'll see you in the next video.